Hello. In this video, I will show you how to convert between decimals, fractions, and percents. Now, from the last lesson, you already know how to convert a percent into a fraction. We know that the word percent means per 100 or out of 100. So if I had a percent, say 37%, that is the same as saying 37 per 100 or 37 out of 100. I can write that as a fraction with 37 over 100. You also know how to convert a percent into a decimal. 37% is equal to 37 over 100, or 37 hundredths. Using place value, I know I can write 37 hundredths as a decimal by writing 0.37. But what if I don't start with a percent? How can I change a fraction into a decimal, or a decimal into a percent? Well, let's start by converting a fraction into a decimal. Have you ever noticed that a fraction looks a lot like the division symbol? That's because I can change any fraction into a decimal by dividing the numerator by the denominator. The fraction 3/5 can become a decimal if I divide 3 by 5. 3 divided by 5 is 0.6. That means 3/5 and 0.6 are the same value. Let's try another one. To change the fraction 16/25 into a decimal, I can divide 16 by 25. When I punch that into my calculator, I get 0.64. So 16/25 is equal to 0.64. It's easy. To change a fraction to a decimal, just divide the numerator by the denominator. But how can I change a decimal into a percent? Well, because percent means per 100, any decimal can be converted into a percent by multiplying the decimal by 100. So 0.08 multiplied by 100 equals 8. That means 0.08 equals 8%. 0.492 times 100 equals 49.2. That means 0.492 equals 49.2%. It's easy. To change a decimal into a percent, just multiply the decimal by 100. So if I can convert a fraction to a decimal by dividing the numerator by the denominator, and I can change a decimal to a percent by multiplying the decimal by 100, I can change a fraction to a percent by doing both steps one after the other.